The journey of the Toyota bZ3 begins here in the Digital Design Studio, where every elegant line is born.
The structural rigidity around the battery housing is excellent. Agreed. The aerodynamic flow lines confirm the drag coefficient targets.
We need to adjust the surfacing right here. The reflection isn't clean enough. I agree. Let's refine this edge before the review. What about the wheel arch transition?
High-strength steel coils arrive, ready to form the foundation of every Toyota bZ3.
The gauge is reading exactly 2 millimeters. Perfect, that meets the bZ3 specification.
Steel coils are decoiled and prepared for the high-pressure stamping process ahead.
Precision lasers cut the first blanks that will form the strong floor of the bZ3.
Cut steel blanks begin their journey through the massive press shop for forming. Only approved materials move forward to create the exceptional Toyota bZ3 electric vehicle. The first major body panel takes shape as the hydraulic press stamps the bZ3 hood. High-tonnage presses carefully form the spacious roof panel of the upcoming bZ3 EV. Door panels are precisely stamped, creating the strong structure and elegant lines of the bZ3. Progressive dies shape the rear fenders that will define the bZ3's sleek profile. The trunk lid emerges perfectly formed, ready for the bZ3's spacious rear storage.
Robotic lasers precisely trim and refine the edges of every stamped fender panel.
Check the alignment on this seam.
Looks within tolerance according to the scan data. Perfectly formed panels travel onward to begin the body assembly process. Automated systems punch exact mounting holes needed for flawless body assembly later. A full set of precision-stamped panels is now prepared for the body welding line. The stamped hood receives final edge refinement before joining the body assembly line. Rear quarter panels are powerfully stamped, giving the bZ3 its distinctive flowing silhouette. Robots efficiently sort and stack every panel, preparing them for the welding hall. Exact mounting holes are drilled into underbody panels for perfect structural alignment. Specialized lighting reveals even the tiniest flaws on the bZ3 roof panel. Hemming machines create clean, strong edges on the fenders of the upcoming bZ3. All major body panels are now complete and ready for the welding stage. The freshly formed panels begin their journey into the advanced body welding area. A complete set of precision panels stands ready to form the body of the bZ3. The strong floor pan of the Toyota bZ3 enters the advanced robotic welding line. Hundreds of precise spot welds begin building the rigid foundation of the bZ3 EV. Side sills are welded to the floor, forming the base structure of the bZ3 chassis.
Front pillars are securely welded, strengthening the passenger safety cell of the bZ3.
Special reinforcements are welded for the large battery pack that powers the bZ3. The roof frame is precisely lowered and welded, completing the main body cage. Door hinge points are welded with extreme precision for perfect future alignment. structural adhesives are applied to enhance rigidity and reduce noise in the bZ3 body. Laser seam welding creates incredibly strong and clean joints throughout the bZ3 frame. The welded body shell takes recognizable shape as it advances through the line. Rear quarter panels are welded into place, completing the sides of the bZ3 structure.
Front crumple zones are integrated, designed to protect occupants in the bZ3.
Laser scanners verify perfect dimensional accuracy of the welded bZ3 body shell. Roof crossmembers are welded to enhance overall torsional rigidity of the body. The trunk floor is securely welded, finalizing the rear structure of the bZ3. Comprehensive scans confirm the structural integrity of every welded joint. The strong welded body of the Toyota bZ3 is now ready for surface preparation. Protective seam sealant is applied to all joints for maximum corrosion resistance. Final brackets and mounts are welded, completing all structural attachments.
The complete welded body of the Toyota bZ3 is now ready for its silver finish.
Body welding stashed frame build phase 31 to 55 is now complete.
The body enters a thorough cleaning bath to prepare for anti-rust treatment. Phosphate coating is applied, providing essential long-term protection against rust.
The primed body enters the curing oven to harden the protective base layer.
Every trace of dust is meticulously removed before the silver color coat is applied.
Okay, angle the light across the surface slowly. See any seeding near the center? No, looks flawless from here. The flop is consistent.
Advanced inspection ensures the silver paint meets Toyota's strict quality standards.
Expert polishing brings out the deep, luxurious metallic silver shine of the bZ3.
The stunning silver-painted body of the Toyota bZ3 is now ready for final assembly.
The silver paint undergoes final multi-angle inspection to guarantee perfection. The beautifully painted silver body now heads to the final assembly lines. The stunning silver-painted Toyota bZ3 body is now perfect and ready for assembly. The electric motor stator begins taking shape with precision copper coil windings.
High-performance magnets are installed into the rotor of the bZ3 electric motor.
The motor housing is machined to exact tolerances for the bZ3 electric drive unit.
The wound stator is precisely inserted into the motor housing assembly.
The rotor is dynamically balanced and fitted with high-precision bearings.
The motor end cover with integrated cooling channels is securely assembled.
High-voltage cables are connected to deliver power to the electric motor.
The power inverter is integrated, converting DC battery power to AC for the motor.
Each completed motor undergoes rigorous performance and efficiency testing.
Individual battery cells are carefully inserted into modules for the bZ3 power pack. Bus bars are laser welded to create reliable high-current connections in each module. Advanced cooling plates are installed to maintain optimal battery temperature. Battery modules are stacked and secured into the structural pack tray,
batteries. The battery management system is integrated for real-time monitoring and safety.
The massive battery pack receives complete sealing for protection and safety. The protective lid is installed and sealed onto the completed high-voltage battery pack.
Thermal insulation layers are wrapped to optimize temperature control and safety.
The high-voltage junction box is assembled to safely distribute power from the battery.
The battery pack undergoes strict waterproof and pressure testing for maximum safety. Motor and battery systems are prepared for seamless integration into the chassis. Advanced cooling manifolds are connected to maintain ideal battery operating temperatures. The power control unit is mounted to intelligently manage motor and battery performance. The integrated electric drive unit passes comprehensive functional and efficiency tests. High-voltage wiring harnesses are expertly routed between battery and drive motor.
The advanced electric powertrain is now fully assembled and ready for chassis integration.
Reduction gears are assembled to optimize torque delivery from the electric motor.
Special low-friction oil is precisely filled and the unit hermetically sealed. The powertrain undergoes strict vibration and noise testing for refined performance. Critical temperature sensors are integrated for real-time thermal management. Advanced software is flashed and calibrated for optimal motor and battery performance. Comprehensive insulation and leak tests ensure complete electrical safety. Robust mounting brackets are welded for secure integration into the vehicle chassis.
The dedicated powertrain subframe is prepared for final drive unit installation.
The advanced electric powertrain is now fully prepared for vehicle integration.
Every mounting bolt receives exact final torque for rock-solid powertrain security. Special coolant is filled and air fully bled from the thermal management system.
The powertrain passes cold performance and efficiency validation testing. Protective shields and covers are installed for underbody durability and safety.
The voltage tolerances here are within spec. Yes, the scanner confirms green across the board. Final approval issued.
The finished powertrain is transported to join the main vehicle assembly line. Perfect alignment is verified before the powertrain marriage to the body. The advanced electric powertrain is now fully complete and ready for chassis integration. High-precision gears for the single-speed reduction unit are machined to exact specifications. The differential assembly is carefully integrated into the electric final drive unit. Half shafts with CV joints are assembled to transmit torque to the driven wheels. Half shafts are dynamically balanced to ensure vibration-free power delivery. The final drive unit is securely mounted to the powertrain subframe. High-voltage cabling is routed to support efficient power distribution to the drive unit. Reinforced axle carriers are installed for stable wheel and drivetrain connection. The full drivetrain passes final leak, noise, and performance validation tests. The complete drivetrain system is now prepared for final integration with the body. All axle mounting points receive final verified torque for perfect drivetrain alignment. Half shafts are precisely installed to connect the final drive to the wheels. Wheel hubs and bearings are pressed on for smooth and reliable wheel rotation. Brake lines and ABS sensors are expertly routed alongside the drivetrain components. Laser systems verify perfect alignment of the entire drivetrain system. CV joint boots and clamps are installed to protect against dirt and retain grease. The full drivetrain undergoes low-speed functional testing for smooth operation.
All drivetrain sensors are fully connected and secured in their final positions.
The complete drivetrain is now fully integrated into the silver bZ3 chassis. Half-shaft retaining nuts receive final torque and locking for secure wheel connection. Look at port 3, right on the mark. Verified. All parameters nominal. Heat shields are installed to protect surrounding components from operating temperatures. The entire drivetrain system is now completely integrated and ready for the next stage.
Gearbox and drivetrain, phase 121-145, is now complete.
Front control arms are installed to form the foundation of the suspension system. Coil springs and shock absorbers are precisely paired for balanced ride comfort. Multi-link rear suspension components are mounted for superior handling and stability. The electric steering rack is installed for responsive and efficient vehicle control. High-performance brake discs and calipers are fitted for confident stopping power. The ABS system is installed and connected for advanced brake control and safety. The front stabilizer bar is fitted to reduce body roll during cornering.
Rear shocks and springs are securely installed for balanced vehicle dynamics. Suspension geometry is prepared with precise laser alignment systems.
Wheels and tires are precisely mounted and balanced for the bZ3. Wheels are installed and torqued to exact specifications for safety and performance. The complete suspension and braking system undergoes dynamic functional testing.
Drivetrain assembly clear. Suspension alignment verified. Finalizing report.
The extensive wiring harness is carefully routed throughout the entire vehicle.
The dashboard structure is installed, beginning the interior assembly phase.
Interior wiring harnesses are meticulously routed and secured throughout the cabin. The advanced digital instrument cluster is installed for driver information display. The premium infotainment touchscreen is mounted and connected to the vehicle systems. Front seat frames are securely installed onto the powered adjustment rails.
The steering wheel with safety airbag is precisely installed and calibrated.
Door panels and electric window regulators are fitted for smooth operation.
premium ambient LED lighting is installed and tested for cabin ambiance. Rear seats and premium carpet are installed to complete the cabin comfort. All airbag modules are connected and verified within the safety system. All interior electronics and lighting systems undergo final functional verification. The doors are precisely mounted and aligned for flawless panel gaps. All essential fluids are carefully filled and toppy to exact specifications. Brand emblems and model badges are perfectly positioned on the exterior. Advanced lasers verify perfect panel gaps and body alignment throughout. The finished Toyota bZ3 rolls off the line, ready for final testing. The vehicle passes a rigorous water leak test to ensure cabin integrity. The bZ3 undergoes full dyno testing to verify power and efficiency. The stunning silver Toyota bZ3 is now complete and ready for delivery. A final road test confirms perfect handling, braking, and overall performance.